Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Chevron card step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Chevron website. Look for the Chevron credit cards section on the homepage. Click on the link to apply for the Chevron card. You will be directed to the application page. First, fill in your personal information. Enter your full name as it appears on your ID. Next, provide your current address. Include your city, state, and zip code. Now, input your date of birth. Make sure to enter it in the correct format. After that, provide your social security number. This step is crucial for identity verification. Next, enter your phone number and email address. Double-check to ensure all information is accurate. Scroll down to the employment information section. Input your employer's name and your job title. Include your monthly income as well. If self-employed, provide appropriate details. Now, review the terms and conditions carefully. Ensure you understand the responsibilities that come with the card. Check the box to agree to the terms. Once you've completed all fields, click on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive an email regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions provided in the email. You'll be on your way to enjoying the benefits of your Chevron card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.